In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your account is being closed. Warning on Revolut mobile bank app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So all of a sudden, if you are getting this error where you're told this action is not allowed, please proceed to withdraw all your funds, then most likely you have been trying to perform actions, or Revolut has sensed that your account is in danger and therefore they want to close your account. You have been given a short notice to withdraw all your funds. If you initiated this by yourself, it is okay. However, if it is not your initiation, then you need to take some few steps to fix this. First, you will need to check and see if you are using any VPN or any recently installed security app. This might be the reason you are getting this error. Go ahead and install them and see if you log into your account, this error will have gone. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if this does not, then you want to troubleshoot your Revolut app by going to settings on your phone, and from your settings, look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps depending on your phone. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut, and if you tap on it, you'll be taken to this app info page. Here, go to force stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Again, go to clear data and clear cache and final OK, and finally clear all data. Now this will log you out of your app. You will need first to restart your smartphone before you can now use or open and log into your Revolut mobile bank app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. However, if this issue still persists beyond this, you'll need to contact Revolut to find out the cause for this error, the cause for this warning, and it should be fixed by them. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.